Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be playing with some beautiful pigment that I just received from SheModern. It is a nice, beautiful brown. Hello. It is in the glitter colors. So we're going to be playing with that. That's going to be our base color for our mani today. Our water decals are leaves in the green color. That's what I have. So yes, you can tell we're doing a fall manicure. Our snow has melted here in southeastern Michigan, and we are snow free. Woohoo! So it's back to fall for right now until Old Man Winter decides to be angry at us again. I have put the colors on the nail, but I'm going to show you what I did. I have already put on glue gel, which is for glitter and pigment. And these are the new bottles and the new labels and the new formulas. So check those out. Put that on, cured that for 30. I'm going to take my palette. Excuse me. I'm only going to try to use what I need of this because it does come out kind of fast sometimes. So we're going to take that and rub it in, rub it in. And that's what I did on the nails on Harley Marie, my flexi hand. And this is all you do. Dab it on, rub it in. Some people call it burnish. You call it whatever you want. This was a clear nail, so it's not going to be as dark as what is on the stiletto nails. But that's how you get this effect. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful hollow color. Hollow. So that's what we're going to do. I did top coat 3 nails. Pinky, middle, and index, because those nails are not going to have the decals on it. In the glitter, by honest, you need 2 top coats. 2. Close up my glitter, but I do love this. Love, love, love. I don't know if you can see. It's beautiful. So I have got my palette. I have got a stamper by Beauty Big Bang. And it has definitely seen better days, but we're going to make it work. I have got my decal soaking, and the easiest way to apply a water decal is by using a stamper. You could also use tweezers, pick it up and try to arrange on the nail, but the easiest is a stamper. Take it, dab it off on something lint-free. Stamp on the nail. Oh, that didn't work out so well. Well, I forgot to put a sticky base. So we're going to use the grip gel on the ring and the thumb. I can't believe I did that. Here I thought I was ahead of the game. Thought I was all prepared. Where you didn't have to sit and watch me do this. And I forget to do it. That's just great, huh? Just wonderful. Well, I could have forgot to top coat too, but I didn't. I remembered to do that. So now we're going to pop this in the lamp for 30. Alright, we are back. I had to cure the nails for 30 seconds. Now we are going to apply the decals. And there you go. Now I'm going to get my silicone tool. Gonna push out any air bubbles. Readjust if you need to. And let me see what nail we got. Or what nail. What decal. And you just take your tool, take out any air bubbles, anything you don't want. Apply on the nails. There we go. I can't see. Dab, dab, dab. Our collabs are fab. No. Let me see. What can I tell you why we're doing this? Little Girls just got a collaboration coming up on... Oh boy, what is it? I forgot what it is. Towards the end of the month. It's for Thanksgiving. Got that. Got my docu-series coming up on Tuesdays. My learning acrylics. And that I just love doing. I really do. As somebody put to me yesterday, my heart is in it, and it definitely is. My heart is definitely in that. If you haven't already, please check out one of my videos. It'll be under the playlist, under docu-series or acrylics. So you adjust this leaf. Oh no. So I'm going to have to cheat here and... There we go. And I have one too many leaves out. One too many. See, what the stamper is just, I mean, I had a girl come to me on Instagram and, you know, she's having a lot of difficult times, and I told her, watch my videos. And I have a feeling she wasn't happy with that answer. But that's the easiest way, because that way she has seen what I'm doing. Slide that off to the side. We're going to top coat these now, and I'm going to use Modelones top coat. Steel top coat by, it's a sub-brand of Modelones. It's called Leaf View. It does say on the back here, sub-brand. So I'm going to top coat these babies. Squeeze the water out of that one. I just love doing these. Love, love, love. And I think the brown hollow is just so beautiful. I really do. I think that just is fitting at this time of the year. Thanksgiving is next week. Since this will be my last SheModern Saturday before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I hope you have a blessed time with your family and friends. Please be safe if you are out drinking and driving. The night before is one of the biggest drinking nights of the year. And I really hope everybody is safe and uses common sense. There's designated drivers, there's lots of ways you can get home besides driving. So there, my mani is complete. We're going to pop this in the oven. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Kind of forgot something. Some bling. Gotta have some bling. So, I've got me some bling out here, but I got a re-top coat. I'm going to do the thumb first. And if this was a real person, I would use glue. but it is not, so I'm going to use my flexi hand. Or my flexi hand, listen to me. I'm going to use my top coat. Get me some bling out here and turn them up so I can see them. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble. Shows you how close my camera is to my hand. Gotta have some bling to add a little bit of character. Top coat. So let me see, what was I saying before? I want everybody to have a happy, blessed Thanksgiving. Leave me a comment down below. What are you doing for yours? Me, myself, it'll be me and my family, and I cannot wait. I'm really excited about this year, that we're all back together again. So it's going to be exciting. So here, whoops, can't see what I was doing. Couldn't find my bling. Okay, let's see here. Going to our next nail. I'm adding them onto every nail. The nails that are just brown, I'm going to just add it down the center. Right down the center. You can do any design you want. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. As long as mine don't slide around. That's all I ask for. That's all I ask for. Don't slide around on me. It's not allowed to ask for. Uh-oh. Yeah, this one just wants to play. Can't use that one. It flipped over on me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. That way you get notified of all future videos. Don't forget to ring the bell. I have put Harley Marie in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. And Thanksgiving is really upon us. Less than a week to go. Yes, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what plans you've got going on if you're going to be home. But just to let you know, I will be uploading early on Thanksgiving. I have a special manicure coming. and it'll be uploaded at 8 a.m. So if you can, please take a view. I would really greatly appreciate it. And next year is when I'm going to set a goal for myself of trying to reach 1,000. Which means I'm going to need view time. Whoops. So I'm asking everyone to start watching in full view. I really, really greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate your support so much. I really do. Here we go. Our manicure is finished. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. This will probably be the last fall one because then we're going to start doing Christmas manis. So I think this turned out really, really nice on the elegant side, if you will. I think it's really pretty. Really pretty. And I hope you do so as well. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Check out SheModern.com with their water decals. They have a full line of pigments, powders, glow-in-the-dark, galaxy, and sheer hollows. It's just, I think they come in minimum 17 colors for each one that I mentioned. This was the brown, which is just beautiful. But go check them out. Check me out on Instagram. That way you can see all my photos. I am just nailed it. I changed my name recently from Nailed It 67 to something that was closer to my name on YouTube. And that's what we're going to go with. So as always, hope you have a blessed day, and thank you.